it takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is from. Take one part sand, one part sea, one part shade banana tree. The drinks they're cold and the reggae is hot, and I know this is the place for me. Get away to where the boat is from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is. Jimmy D. You're down there, there's a perfectly good island somewhere. Well, alright, it floats, and don't grab your coat. You won't need it where we are going. Get away to where the boat is from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is from. Pick me up, pick me up, pick me up. Well, put me down in the sandwich crew, put me down. And if I fall, I must do put me down. I'll just sleep there till morning comes round. Sunshine, 10 ladies with pina coladas and Bob Marley songs that are playing. There's a song in my ear that I want y'all to hear. Soft tropical lips that are singing. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the people crying, hear the children cry. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and fight this holy Armageddon. One love. There's just one question that I really have to ask. One heart. Is there hope now for the hopeless sinner? One love. And a bag of good kind, though ain't never gonna last. One love. What about a one heart? One heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the people singing, hear the people sing. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. So get away to where the boat is from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where. Get away to where the boat is from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat is from. Yes, sir, Mr. Kevin Leahy.